Hi guys, thanks for buzzing in again to Digital Wealth Hive. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic that's bound to spark your curiosity. I just want to share with you that I recently came across an Etsy shop that has achieved an impressive revenue of over $300,000 by selling patterns available for digital download. In the previous videos I shared, I discussed several business concepts for leveraging AI. So if you're ready to explore the world of AI-powered creativity and learn how to craft seamless pattern textures for potential online sales, stay tuned. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. That way, you'll never miss a moment of inspiration, insights, and exciting tutorial. Let's get started. Imagine describing the pattern you have in mind. Feel free to let your imagination run. Don't forget to add tile to your prompt, a subtle cue for AI that you're aiming for a seamless pattern. Now get ready, because AI is about to work its magic. It will generate a pattern quickly, and it's not a one-size-fits-all approach. AI has variations up its sleeve, giving you different options and adjustments. This is where your inner artist shines. You have the opportunity to explore various stylization settings. Think of it as having a creative toolbox at your disposal. Experiment with different settings to add your unique touch to the patterns. Whether you prefer a more realistic look or want to unleash your creativity, the choice is yours. Go ahead, experiment, and soon enough, you'll have a collection of patterns that reflect your individual style. Let's take a closer look at how you can take your pattern quality to the next level. The key here is honing in on the details of your prompts. Think of it as crafting the perfect recipe for the patterns you want. Feel free to roll up your sleeves and experiment with different stylization settings. It's like trying out various ingredients to achieve the flavor you're after. Now, here's a little insider tip. Pay special attention to adjusting settings like the value parameter. It's like adding that secret ingredient that takes your patterns from good to outstanding. By making these subtle adjustments, you can significantly enhance the overall quality of your patterns. It's like polishing a gem to reveal its true brilliance. Ultimately, it's all about finding that sweet spot where your patterns truly come to life. It's about making them not just good, but uniquely yours. So don't hold back. Give yourself the freedom to explore and experiment. Trust me, the transformation you'll witness will be nothing short of remarkable. Your patterns will evolve right before your eyes, and you'll be amazed at the level of creativity you can unleash. Before we continue, don't forget to hit that like button if you're enjoying this content. And if you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to drop them in the comments down below. Your engagement means a lot, and I can't wait to hear what you're thinking. All right, let's get back to it. If you ever find that AI introduces some graphical glitches into your pattern, don't worry, it's fixable. You've got tools at your disposal to smooth things out. Take the Spot Heal tool, for instance, available in free online photo editors like Photopea. It's like your digital magic wand for erasing those unexpected hiccups. All you need to do is load up your pattern image and then select the Spot Heal tool. It's as simple as moving your cursor over the problem area and right-clicking. Adjust the brush size to match the imperfection, and voila. With a few gentle clicks, you're smoothing things out like a pro. Once you're satisfied with the fixes, it's time to preserve those corrections. Just head to the top left corner, click on File, and choose Export. Opt for the PNG format, and your polished pattern is ready. It's all about taking control of your creative process, even when unexpected bumps come your way. So embrace the power of these tools and watch your patterns go from flawed to flawless with just a little bit of your expertise. When it comes to turning these patterns into profits, you've got quite a few avenues to explore. Let's unpack some of these exciting options. First off, you can head over to platforms like Etsy and set up shop. Selling your patterns as digital downloads is like opening up a virtual store where customers can easily purchase and download your creations. It's a straightforward way to start monetizing your creative journey. If you're looking for something a bit different, consider diving into the world of print-on-demand services like Printify. This is where things get really interesting. You take your pattern and place it on a range of products, from mugs to t-shirts and more. Once a customer places an order, the product gets made and shipped directly to them. No sweat on your part. It's like having your own production team without the hassle. Now here's a neat trick. If you're not ready to invest in setting up shop, platforms like Redbubble and Society6 are good to explore. These platforms offer a kind of creative playground. You can upload your patterns onto a variety of products, and guess what? It won't cost you a dime. Plus, they handle all the tricky stuff like printing and shipping, leaving you with more time to focus on your creativity. Sure, there's competition out there, but here's the kicker. These platforms offer a pretty attractive deal. They're all about passive income. Once you've got your patterns up, they do the heavy lifting, connecting you with potential customers. It's like having your patterns on autopilot, working for you even while you're busy with other things. So whether you're eager to dive into selling on established platforms or you're curious about the potential of print on demand, there's a world of opportunities waiting for you to explore. Your patterns are about to become not just your passion, but also your profit. Stepping into this business is like opening the door to the world of online sales in a straightforward way. While I can't promise you'll be rolling in profits, the whole experience is like a crash course in the online marketplace. You're learning the ropes, trying new things, and gaining insights that can't be bought. Sure, the dollars might not start pouring in overnight, but remember this. Potential income is on the table. It's like setting out on an adventure with a promising treasure map in hand. And sometimes the real treasure isn't just the gold, it's the journey itself. So think of it as a worthy venture. It's not just about the money you might make, but also about the skills you'll acquire, the confidence you'll build, and the thrill of putting yourself out there. It's like setting sail on uncharted waters, and who knows where this journey might take you. Just remember, the road to success might not be a straight line, but every twist and turn is part of the story. Wrapping up this creative journey, I hope you're feeling inspired and ready to dive into the world of AI-generated patterns. Remember, whether you're aiming to create for profit or simply for the joy of it, the possibilities are endless. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting content. Feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Until next time, keep those creative gears turning and embrace the possibilities that lie ahead. This has been Digital Wealth Hive, and always remember, be wealthy.